So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Duolingo tap to speak not working voice feature. So guys, if your Duolingo tap to speak or voice feature is not working on your iPhone or Android, so guys you try to this solution to resolve this issue. So guys, first of all check and grant the microphone permissions. So guys, ensure Duolingo has the permission to access your phone. Okay, so for this, first of all open your settings. In the settings section guys, go to the app section where it show all the application. Then guys tab here to for search, and guys here you tab on the option of application name. So I am searching my app name. Then guys wait for, and guys here you make sure that your microphone is enabled on. Okay, then guys you also try to update your Duolingo app and your device software. So guys make sure your app and your OS is up to date. For updating the app, simply go to the App Store. Then guys in the search icon search Duolingo, and guys click here and open. And for guys device update, again open settings. In the settings section guys, go to the option of your journal. Then guys tap on the option iPhone storage software update, and guys wait for checking for the update. If update is available, so guys kindly install it. And you also restart your app and your device. Guys simple restart can also resolve these minor glitches. So guys first open your application. Okay, once you open your application, wait for to turn it on. If it is turned on, then guys simply swipe from the bottom of the screen, and you also try to restart your device. For restarting the device, press the volume down button and the power button together, and guys slide to the power off and wait for few seconds to restart it. Okay, and guys you also try to close the background applications. Sometime there is a issue that other application also want to access of the microphone, and it create a conflict between both of the application. For this guys, you simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Wait guys, bottom of screen, and swipe up all the application that are running in the background. Okay, that it makes sure that your application is running in a isolation way. Okay, then guys still having the issue, so guys try to reinstall your Duolingo app. So guys for reinstalling your Duolingo app, simply open your application, then long press on it, then tap on the option of delete and delete. After deleting guys, open your app store. In the app store guys, search the option search your Duolingo application, and guys tab here and download the latest one. So these are the things that you can do. So guys thank you and have a nice day.